All right, today I'm gonna show you how I put candy inside my cake so that when you cut it open, the candy spills out. This is a 3-layer cake that I'm doing today. I'm going to take my middle layer and a round cookie cutter, and I'm going to just cut out a circle in the middle cake layer. Okay, if you were doing 4 layers, you would cut the circles out of the 2 middle layers. So I've got my hollowed out cake layer. I'm actually gonna save this. You can save and eat it. I'm gonna save it for the top of the cake because I'm making a Lego head guy. Okay, so now that I've got that done, I'm going to go ahead and put my frosting here. Okay, so I cut a little flat piece off of this round, and I'm just going to stick it down in there to cover the frosting. And then I'm going to get M&Ms. If you can use jelly beans, Skittles, anything you want really. And I'm going to fill it. And then for the frosting, you're just going to go around the edge.